Okay, that's better. Yeah, what a fun night. Thanks, Tucker, for letting me shoot the gig last night. Went to check out to 11, so we slept until 8, which is really strange for us, I guess, because it's so dark. I'll do some more photos of the hotel with the buffet breakfast and whatnot, and then pop the drone up and go cruise around the city and see some cool stuff. How good?
Well, you can't like think in here, but then it doesn't actually. It's because it's very bright.
Alright, so just checked out. I'm gonna get the drone up and get a few photos of the hotel. Not heaps sure from a later flight here, but fuck it. Yeah, maybe we'll get some quick photos of the city. How good. Definitely one thing I don't miss not living in a big city anymore: the smell of piss everywhere. All right, Mel, where are we going? What are we doing?
Going to the GOMA.
What's the GOMA?
Gallery of Modern Art.
And why are we doing that?
Because they have fun interactive shit there. That's what I'm into.
All right, nerd. So Mel, your third museum today, how you feeling? Real cultured and educated?
Yeah, well maybe I've just realised how much I'm not into looking at art.
Yeah, can you stop pretending that you're into it? Neither of us enjoy this.
It's gonna be like a bit more sciencey or something interesting.
It's an art museum, not a science museum. Yeah, g'day. We just finished Mel's museum tour of Brisbane. It was as boring as it sounds. Mel pretending she likes art and museums, but she doesn't. And now we're gonna head back to the coast because I've got a photo shoot in 2 hours to get to. So I just went home quickly and charged the cameras and the batteries and that from last night, and now I'm gonna drive down to Cooley to do this photo shoot. I think it's just I'm shooting photos for a wedding anniversary, so a couple family portraits on the beach, which is always pretty easy, pretty fun. So that should be sweet. I'll try and film what I can, but who knows, it might be a bit awkward.